So this is the question. Now in this question, two parts are there. This is the cyclic redundancy check question. In this, two parts are there for error detection and correction. Two parts are there. Now we will do today error detection. So now for error detection using CRC, how do we do? So in this question, you have given a bit stream. So solution, you have given a bit stream. Now what is that bit stream? Bit stream means what? GX, TX, what?
The frame.
Yeah, frame. So frame is given
1001. Yeah.
100111101. Now what is generator polynomial given? GX x to the power 3 plus 1. If you are converting this into binary form, binary code, what can you write? 1 0
1
0
into x, yeah, 1001.
1001. So now you have to find firstly TX. What is transmission bit? What bit you are going to transmit it? So what do? You have to do this division. So 1 0 0 1 1 1 0 1 with 1 0 0 1. So how many times you can divide? One time. Okay, before this, how many zeros we have to append it here?
Like when discarding, or like when we are using it to, in case we cannot use one.
I'm saying how many zeros you have to append it here?
Oh, 3, sir.
3. Why 3?
Because the first, that is x raised to 3, it is having the power as 3.
Q. So highest degree is 3.
Yes, sir.
So we will be appending 3 zeros here. 1, 2, and 3. Now let's start dividing. So one time you can divide. So you will get 1 0 0 1. Any confusion, anybody?
No, sir.
So this is 0, which you will discard. This is 0 0 0. This 1 will come here. Now how many times you can divide?
0.
0. So 0 0 0 0. This 0 you will discard. You will have 0 0 1. Then this one will come again. Now how many times?
Sir, can you push? Yeah, paper down. It will be 0.
So 0 0 0 0. 0 you will be discarding. Then 0 1 1. Then this 0 will come. How many times now?
0.
0 0 0 0. This 0 you will discard. Then 1 1 0. Then this 1 will come. How many times now?
1.
1. So 1 0 0 1. So 0 you will discard. 1 0 0. Now this 0 will come. This 0 will come. How many times you can divide now?
1.
1. So 1 0 0 1. So 0 you will discard it. Then 0 0 1. Then one more 0 from up. This will come down. Now how many times? 0 time.
Yes, sir.
0 0 0 0. So 0 will be discarded. This 0 1 0. One more 0 is left up. So this 0 will come. 0. How many times you can divide now?
0.
0. So this will become 0, 0, 0, 0. This 0 will be discarded. Now everything you have followed. So what is the remainder?
100.
100. This you will throw away. No use. So now, what is your transmission? What is your TX?
1001 double 101 100.
Your TX will be. What was your original frame?
1001
100
1 double 1 then 01.
01. This is the one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And now, what will you do?
You add it with a reminder.
And you will be adding in this. So add it here. What? 100 you have added. So this bit will be transmitted on the network. Now let's come to the second part of the question. What is the second part of the question?
The third bit from the left will be inverted.
Suppose that the third bit from the left is inverted during the transmission, so that error is detected at receiver end. Now I have one question to your paper. Whatever is remainder, if you have already added in this transmission bit, then whenever you are dividing again with your generator polynomial 1001, what should be the remainder now? Should it be any remainder now?
Not sure. So it might depend. Like if we are doing it again.
There should not be any remainder.
Oh.
Why? Suppose I will tell you. You are dividing 5 by 2. How many times you can divide?
2.
2 times. What is remainder here?
1.
Remainder. Now this remainder, if you are adding in this, so now your number will become what?
6.
6. So now 6 you divided by this 2.
There won't be a reminder. It will be 0.
Will it be any remainder?
No, sir.
No remainder. So what we are doing actually here? Here. That's what we are doing now. Whatever is the remainder, you are appending or adding or not?
At first step, we are adding along with the original frame for transmission.
You are adding with the transmission frame or not?
Yes, sir.
You have added. It means if you are dividing this by your GX 1001, should there be any remainder?
No, sir.
No, there should not be remainder. Remainder should be 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the question? Invert third bit from left. That's what you have to do.
Yes, sir.
So what were your original TX? Transmission bit 100 111 01100. This is your original bit which you have to transmit.
Yes, sir.
Now, which one is the third bit? This one is the third bit.
So we are taking from 0 or we're starting from 1, so 0 to this or 1 to this.
Left hand side. It's saying left hand side.
Not left hand side, so like when we're considering it a bit, like are we starting from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, or from 1, 2, 3?
You have to just third bit, whether you are starting from 0 or 1. Which one will be the third bit?
If it is starting from 0, like it will be it will be 1, sir. If you're starting with 0.
Madam, I think you have gone into array.
Yes, sir.
Here it's written X, Y, Z, A, B. Whether you are starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which one will be the third number? Third character? First one will be this, second one will be this, third one will be this.
3, 6.
Isn't it?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So invert this. So after inversion, 1, 0, 1, 111, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. You will get this.
Yes, sir.
What is the third bit? Now, what you do, this you divide means 1, 0, 1, 111, 0, 11, 0, 0 by your generator polynomial. What was that? 1001. If remainder is 0, means there is no error. If remainder is something, means there is an error. So now how many times you can divide this?
1.
One time. So 1001. What will you get it here? 0010. This you discard. This one you take. Now how many times you can divide? 0 time. 0000. This 0 you discard. 101. You take this one. How many times? One time. 1001. 0 discard. 010. Take this 0. How many times you can divide? 0 times. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 discard. 1, 0, 0. Take this one. How many times you can divide? One time. So 1, 0, 0, 1. 0 you will discard. 0, 0, 0. Take this one. How many times you can divide? 0 times. 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 you discard. 0, 0, 1. Then take this 0. Still you can divide 0 times. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 this you discard. 0, 1, 0. Take this 0. Still you can divide 0 times. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 0 you discard, but remainder is there 1, 0, 0, no? Finally. Check. So you will write here since remainder is not 0. So we can say that there is a transmission error. Understood? Everybody understood? How will you check whether transmission error is there or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the full procedure. Now, Gopika, you wanted to invert fourth bit. That is this one. You want to make it 1 to 0. That's what you
Yes,
were
sir.
saying.
Yeah, because I was considering with a zero, sir. That's
So
why.
this is the next question. This is the next question. No problem. This is the next question. Now you invert fourth bit and check. Instead of third bit, now you invert fourth bit and check whether there is an error or not. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so everybody, you can do this and send your answers. Thank you.